Welcome to ARCS Trainer and Virtual Reality. We will give you a basic overview of the different troubleshooting and maintenance procedures that can be performed on an industrial wirejet used in manufacturing. In the low-tow procedure, you will learn to identify targeted isolation points, ensuring that they are properly de-energized before locking and tagging out each location safely. This procedure begins by selecting required personal protective equipment and notifying workers of the pending disruption.
Thanks for letting me know.
Thanks for letting me know.
You will make your way to each isolation point, ensuring that the location is safely de-energized before beginning the low-tow procedure. In the ARCS Trainer, you're provided with different indicators and tools to assist and enhance your learning. Currently, 7 isolation points are covered. Once all loados have been complete, users are instructed through the removal process. In the blown water line procedure, you will learn to properly remove and reinstall the high-pressure water line within the water jet. Using indicators including pings, highlights, and narrator voiceovers, the ARCS Trainer provides a key overview of the core components of the procedure before initiation. This training module includes required media clips highlighting key information often missing from standard documentation. Short tips are provided throughout procedures, giving tooltips, procedural reminders, and important notices to guide new and experienced users through using virtual reality and the ARCS Trainer. Before beginning maintenance, we ensure users are aware of the necessary loados required. Using provided tools, the user disconnects and removes the high-pressure hose from the cabinet. The user then proceeds to orient and install the new high-pressure hoses using tools such as bungees, lubricant, and zip ties. In the intensifier seal change procedure, you will learn about the core components of the intensifier seal that are sequentially removed and then reassembled. This procedure begins by reviewing prerequisite safety procedures, such as selecting PPE and ensuring all tagouts are performed. Once complete, the user preps the seal for a disassembly using the directional control valve. When verified, the seal is disconnected using the provided tools. Once the seal is fully disconnected, the user removes the core components such as the end block, cylinder, mini disc, and mother disc from the seal. Proper cleaning procedures are covered using tools and further in-depth videos. Throughout the procedure, corresponding videos are made available to the user, allowing them to review and compare the interactions within the trainer to the maintenance being performed in real life. Once disassembly has been complete, the user will be taken through the assembly process using the new and the disassembled parts from earlier in the procedure. In the swivel procedure, you will learn about the core components of the swivel that are sequentially removed and then reassembled. At the end of the procedure, users are able to review the names of the different tools and parts used during the procedure, allowing for better retention and understanding. During this procedure, the user must navigate within the warehouse using tools and equipment provided to fully disassemble the swivel. Once disassembly has been completed, the user will be taken through the assembly process using tools and equipment such as wrenches, lubricants, greases, and presses. Optional videos have also been provided, allowing for users to train using real-world examples, as well as gaining additional knowledge for edge cases not physically explored during their virtual training.
Continue greasing until air blows out the end and grease appears around the front.
In the high-pressure water troubleshooting procedure, the user is presented with the situation of a low-pressure condition. During the procedure, users work their way up the high-pressure lines from the end of the system, learning about possible maintenance points such as inspecting and replacing the water hoses, checking the high-pressure piping, diagnosing faulty seals, and monitoring the pressure gauges. These include simplified versions of procedures such as the blown waterline replacement and seal changes, allowing for quicker evaluation and troubleshooting. In the Air Troubleshooting Procedure series, users are presented with an air pressure system error. Each air troubleshooting module is broken into focused segments, making the content easy to navigate and review. This modular approach allows users to quickly troubleshoot specific gauges on the air pressure meter wall and reinforce critical diagnostic skills. Throughout guided procedures, users diagnose and resolve common air pressure failures, such as issues with the high pressure and dump valves, solenoids, nozzles, and pressurized cabinet doors. Thank you for watching. New installations or modules can be added in the future, customized to your needs. We look forward to future collaboration and deployment opportunities.